We are going on with our series on complex numbers. And in this video, we want to find a quadratic equation where 3 plus 2i is one of our solutions. So if we consider a quadratic equation, and this is one of the solutions, then the other solution would be the conjugate of 3 plus 2i, which is 3 minus 2i. So I have two possible solutions. So x would be equal to 3 plus 2i, and x would be equal to 3 minus 2i, the conjugate of our first solution. So if I want to find the quadratic equation, I will set both of these solutions equal to 0. That means we have x minus 3 minus 2i equal to 0, and that's our first set of brackets. And for our second solution, we have x minus 3 plus 2i equal to 0, and that's our second set of brackets. Now, in order for us to find the quadratic equation, we would simply multiply these two sets of brackets with each other. So that will be x minus 3 minus 2i multiplied with x minus 3 plus 2i equal to 0. So now we need to multiply out. So x times x would be x squared. X times negative 3, it's negative 3x. X times 2i would be plus 2xi. And we continue by multiplying each term in the first set of brackets with every term in the second set of brackets. So after we have multiplied out, we can add like terms together. So x squared is the only term of its kind, so we have x squared alone. And then minus 3x would lead to negative 6x, plus 2xi would be cancelled out by negative 2xi, and so would negative 6i cancelled out plus 6i. We have plus 9. And then lastly, we have negative 4i squared. But remember that I squared is equals to negative 1. So this term would become positive 4. So we can simply add 4 and set that equal to 0. So if I simplify, we have x squared minus 6x plus 13 equal to 0. And that is a quadratic equation that will have 3 plus 2i as one of the solutions, and the other solution would be 3 minus 2i.